This is a 36-inch vintage ceiling fan from the Hunter division of Robbins and Myers in Memphis, Tennessee. Model number is R36 and the catalog number is R3659. The motor is cast iron construction with the bearings running in a recirculating oil bath. The blades are aluminum and the entire fan looks to be in original condition, including the cream color. Current draw is 1.4 amps. And the motor is 2 speeds, non-reversible. And as long as the oil level is checked at regular intervals, these fans seem to run just about forever. It starts out on high speed and it's a smooth, quiet runner. Let's give it a try. Now we can switch it to low speed. And we'll go to off and we'll check out the spin down time. It takes a long time to come to a stop. And I thank you very much for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel.